Day 4, separation anxiety. No, I'm not building a limousine. Kind of looks like it though. Got the rear end out. Had to remove a bunch of bolts, all the linkages, the hydraulic lines going to the front of the pump there. Everything came apart fine, no surprises. Tractor's sitting on some jack stands now. You can kind of see that's the drive shaft there. The 2 hydraulic lines. Here's a hard line, and then there's a rubber line. That's the control valve, fuel lines. So now it's time to pull these axle shafts out, pull that hydraulic pump off, probably pull the wheels just to make the axle shafts easier to move in and out, and then transfer it over to this rear end that does not leak oil and has, I believe, a good differential lock. So we will find out. But I just figure, again, I'm going to use this pump since it's always been in the tractor. It's always worked good. This tractor I bought non-running, never drove it, just knew that it held oil from when I got it. So one interesting thing I found, this is supposed to pivot some so the frame flexes. I think this guy's missing a bolt. Let's take a look once. No, maybe not. No, I guess it only does go on the one side. That way the frame can flex some and the transmission doesn't get tweaked or leak or twist or whatever. So, all right, that one's fine. I thought maybe something fell off of it, but we're good. So basically the pump is held on with these four long bolts and spacers here, 2 on each side, and then there's an O-ring between the pump and the transmission, and that big hydraulic hose on the bottom comes off. I'll put a new filter on it after I get it in the tractor and together in case I ding it up. So yeah, we're getting there. I do still have to order all the seals and O-rings and all the stuff. I wanted to kind of get a little bit into the project before I put an order in, just so I could tell what I all needed. So that shouldn't take too long. I'm not in a huge rush. Weather looks pretty decent yet still for the next couple days or even the next week here. So if you're a snowmobiler in Wisconsin, like me, not so good, but for working out in the garage, it's pretty decent. So again, I'll keep doing these videos. Make sure to subscribe. See this project all the way through. Should be pretty nice when it's done.